Hi children, welcome to this channel. This chapter is all about Manushya, written by Maithili Sharan Gupta during year 1886 to 1964. Let's begin with the poem, line by line translation. विचार लो कि मर्त्य हो न मृत्यु से डरो कभी. Consider that one may die, so do not fear death. मरो, परंतु यो मरो की याद जो करे सभी. Die, but die in such a way that everyone remembers. हुई नयो सुमृत्यु तो वृथा मरे, वृथा जिए. If one do not have a good death, then they died in vain, lived in vain. मरा नहीं वही कि जो जिया न आपके लिए. He who does not live for himself, does not die. वही पशु प्रवृत्ति है कि आप ही चरे. That is the animal instinct that feeds itself. वही मनुष्य है कि जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे. He is the only human being who dies for another man. Second para. उसी उदार की कथा सरस्वती बखानती. सरस्वती narrates the story of that generous person. उसी उदार से धरा, कृतार्थ भाव मानती. The earth feels fulfilled, feels gratitude, by that generous person. उसी उदार की सदा, सजीव कीर्ति कूजती. The ever-living fame of that generous person always reverberates. तथा उसी उदार को समस्त सृष्टि पूजती. And the entire creation worships that generous person. अखंड आत्म भाव जो, असीम विश्व में भरे. The one who fills the boundless universe with unbroken self-feeling. वही मनुष्य है कि जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे. He is the only human being who dies for another man. Third para. क्षुधार्त रंतिदेव ने दिया करस थाल भी. Hungry Rantidev gave plate in his hand, even when they are hungry, giving his food to other needy. तथा दधीची ने दिया परार्थ अस्थिजाल भी. And sage Dadhichi gave his chain of bones, skeleton, for the sake of charity, to fight against asuras and save gods. Ushinar Kshitish ने स्वमांस दान भी किया. King of Ushinar also donated his own flesh, to save a pigeon. सहर्ष वीर कर्ण ने शरीर चर्म भी दिया. The brave Karna gladly gave his body skin as well. अनित्य देह के लिए अनादि जीव क्या डरे. Why should the eternal beings be afraid for the temporary body? वही मनुष्य है कि जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे. He is the only human being who dies for another man. Fourth para. सहानुभूति चाहिए, महाविभूति है यही. Sympathy is needed. This is a great virtue. वशीकृता सदैव है बनी हुई स्वयं मही. The earth itself is always captivating. विरुद्धवाद बुद्ध का दया प्रवाह में बहा. The Buddha went against social conventions, was swept away in the flow of compassion. Gautam Buddha was strong against some traditional beliefs. Because of this some people also hated him. विनीत लोकवर्ग क्या न सामने झुका रहा. Did the humble people not bow down before him? All his worshippers now bow down. Once there were hatred towards Buddha. aha. वही उदार है परोपकार जो करे. aha. He is generous who does charity. वही मनुष्य है कि जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे. He is the only human being who dies for another man. Fifth para. रहो न भूल के कभी मदांध तुच्छ वित्त में. Do not be intoxicated by petty wealth by mistake. सनाथ जान आपको करो न गर्व चित्त में. Do not be proud in the mind knowing that you have someone to care for. अनाथ कौन है यहाँ? त्रिलोकनाथ साथ है. Who is orphan here? त्रिलोकनाथ, God, is with us. दयालु दीन बंधु के बड़े विशाल हाथ हैं. The kind God has big hands to help everyone. अतीव भाग्यहीन है अधीर भाव जो करे. The one who is impatient is extremely unfortunate. वही मनुष्य है कि जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे. He is the only human being who dies for another man. Sixth para. अनंत अंतरिक्ष में अनंत देव हैं खड़े. Infinite gods are standing in the infinite space. समक्ष ही स्वबाहु जो बढ़ा रहे बड़े बड़े. Who are spreading their own arms in front of you. परस्परावलंब से उठो तथा बढ़ो सभी. All rise and move forward by relying on each other. अभी अमर्त्यांक में अपंक हो चढ़ो सभी. Now all become tainted in the immortality, falling on God's lap. रहो नयों की एक से न काम और का सरे. Do not live in such a way that no work of others is accomplished by one. वही मनुष्य है कि जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे. He is the only human being who dies for another man. 7th पारा, मनुष्य मात्र बंधु है, यही बड़ा विवेक है. Man is only a friend, brotherhood. To be known of this is the greatest wisdom. पुराण पुरुष स्वयंभू पिता प्रसिद्ध एक है. The पुराण पुरुष, the God who originated himself, famous, is the father of all. फलानुसार कर्म के अवश्य बाह्य भेद हैं. There are certain external differences in our lives based on the karmas, actions, we did. परंतु अंतरैक्य में प्रमाणभूत वेद हैं. But Vedas are the proof of internal unity. All our inner souls are one. अनर्थ है कि बंधु ही न बंधु की व्यथा हरे. It is a disaster if a friend does not relieve the pain of another friend. वही मनुष्य है कि जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे. Only he is a human being who dies for other human being. 8th पारा, चलो अभीष्ट मार्ग में सहर्ष खेलते हुए. Let's move ahead happily on the desired path. विपत्ति, विघ्न जो पड़े उन्हें ढकेलते हुए. Pushing aside the adversities and obstacles that come our way. घटे न हिलमेल हा, बने न भिन्नता कभी. Let there never be any chaos. Let there never be any differences. अतर्क एक पंथ के सतर्क पंथ हो सभी. Let all be cautious and irrational followers of one path. तभी समर्थ भाव है कि तारता हुआ तरे. Only then is there a strong feeling that the one who saves others will be saved. वही मनुष्य है कि जो मनुष्य के लिए मरे. He is the only human being who dies for another man. Thank you, children. Please do check the description link for the same content in blog.